Hey guys, it's the Gotti. Yes, you know who I am. You follow me because I give you great tips. Anyway, today on a follow-up to the Canva training, I want to give you a tip on how you can get your picture transparent and put it into your pictures and or videos. It's a very easy process. I use a free program, not affiliate related, not whatsoever, totally free. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So let me share my screen. No, first let me put on my glasses, share my screen, and show you how I do this. I use this right here, which is called RemoveBG, Remove Image Background. 100% automatically free. Yes, it is. And all you got to do is go below, grab that link for this, go to it, and start. And what you do is you go right here to upload image. You can go to your files where you have whatever picture that you have. Let's just pick this one right here. It uploads. It shows it, it works, and boom, there it is. The background has been removed. You download this. You see it download right down there, and there I have it, and there it pops up. You can see no background in it. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to save this as Brady sunglasses. Trans for transparent, not trans something else. I'm just going to save it right down there in, I'll save it to my just regular picture file. Let's just go right there and save it. It's saved. So now when you are in Canva, I had a little tutorial on using Canva and how you can create different pictures. So let's just create a design. Go up there. Custom dimensions now. Let's just make a Facebook post. It comes up with the correct size as I've shown you before. If we go over here to right here upper left, it says uploads. Upload. I can see I've got other pictures in here. I'm just going to pick one that I can work with. Let's just put this one right here. We'll stretch it out to fill in the canvas. Fill in the canvas on Canva. That's the proper size post. And let's say I want to use that transparency picture I have of me. I go here to the device where it's saved at, go to pictures, go down here to Brady sunglasses. Where are we at? Brady green, Brady sunglasses transparent. Click that. It uploads to Canva. There it is. Click on it. It goes right in on top of the picture. You can drag it and drop it anywhere you want. You can resize it. Put it anywhere in there that you want to do it. Let's just drop it down there. I'll make it a little bit bigger. And just for kicks and giggles, we'll add a little text. We'll say a heading. Whoa. Back. I love trading. And there you have it. And that's how you make a transparent and put it onto a picture post within Canva. You can do the same thing on your videos using the green screen aspect within your video editing software, and you can drag and drop these transparent pictures right on top of a green screen video. Anyway, that's my quick tip today. Go back and use RemoveBG. I'll supply you with the link. It's a free program, super cool little tool that's totally free. Anyway, that is the Gotti tip of the day to help you edit your pictures and videos and just make them more like you. Talk to you real soon. Watching or listening to me on video or on my podcast. If you gained any knowledge, any skills, motivation, if that little switch in your mind flicked and you said, hey, I can do that too, then follow me, Brady Theodore, the Gotti. I would like to tell you that, hey, I'm just a guy 60 plus years old. 4 years ago, I decided to learn some new skills and place myself in a position that I could have some financial freedom in my later years. Come to find out that with knowledge, I have done just that. I've learned that no matter what age you're at, if you put your mind to it, if you take the proper action and you follow the leaders, that anything is possible. Now, if you would like to see more of me, please go below, touch that link, follow me at bradytheodore.com. Thank you, God bless, and I'll see you on the inside.